Stop settling for messy rooms and uncomfortable vanity seats, as well as desk chairs. This is the ultimate home upgrade, GARVEE's large vanity stool desk chair. Now, I love it because it's absolutely beautiful. Look how it swivels, and it has all these 5 different casters on here that make it super comfortable. Now, let me show you this really special feature. It has a storage spot right in here. Now, not only is this perfect for your body, it is great to tuck away your secret items, or if you're in a dorm room or a small apartment or a small office, it's very convenient. Now, let's show you all the great things about this chair. Now, this is the most soft, fluffy fabric. It's just beautiful. Take a close look at this. It's a game changer for your bedroom, makeup, or your home studio like I have here in my yoga studio / office. It's super, super comfortable. The seat is a soft faux fur fabric, and it feels incredibly lush, soft, super lovely to touch, and it gives your space an instant elevated look. Now, this is not a tiny stool either. It comes in 2 sizes, normal or small, so you can get it for your smaller people, and it's a generous, comfortable size, measuring 18.5 inches and 15.7 inches deep. It gives you a wide base and plenty of room to sit and your back to relax while you're doing your makeup or working. Now, I love the fact that it features my small frame very well, but there is a larger size as well. Now, look at this super fantastic lumbar support. Is just one thing. Look at this super feature. The top folds down completely to tuck away under your desk or vanity or furniture pieces where you might be tight on space. If you need to adjust the height, no problem. You just simply reach under here to the lumbar support and you can lift it up. Now, you can do that while you're seated as well. That's really high. Now, with my elevated desk that I have here that can rise and lower, I really like that feature. I like being able to put it up and down. Now, with the popularity of elevated electric desks, it's really nice to have that feature where you can go up and down, and it swivels absolutely effortlessly. Super comfortable, super soft. Now, I love the fact that it's 360-degree swivel along with soft rolling casters that make it very smooth to go from surface to surface. Now, it won't scratch your furniture or your wooden floors because these casters are very smooth and soft. Now, it's offered here in white. It also comes in several different colors, including a really fun pink for little girls. Now, I love the fact that it would be beautiful in an office setting with everyone having the same type of chair. Now, the beautiful blush pink is perfect for little girls. There's a modern gray for a contemporary room. Every single color option comes with that same dreamy faux fabric that you will love. Now, I have enjoyed this chair, whether you're doing your morning routine with your makeup vanity or sitting at your desk. It's cool, comfortable, and soft, and it has a little lean to it that I like. It fits my back perfectly, so the lumbar support is just perfect. This GARVEE vanity desk stool is just perfect. I think you will love everything you can do in it, whether you're studying, creating content, working in an office environment, or at a busy yoga studio or dorm, and you need to tuck it away when you're not using it. Simple, easy, elegant, and an upgrade for every room. Now, this was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I love it. Give you one good look at this hardware underneath. It put together very effortlessly in about 5 minutes. I'm going to get several of these for several places in my home because I just love them. I hope you like this video. Please follow us for more from this great brand from GARVEE and others like these.